Okay, give you a quick rundown of the site as it exists right now. Still working on polishing some of the visual things, but functionally I think we're rolling pretty solid. We can make some additional decisions as we go along, but this will give you an idea of what's going on. So this is set to be the home page, and it's about finding the resources. We have the three categories: objective, software, and course. Right now, I think all of them are in the Econ 210 course, but that's something that's probably going to be useful later on. It behaves how you'd expect. These things limit the view. What you can see is that if you don't create an image, it defaults to kind of this triangular green pattern. Let's see what it looks like when we click through. Right now, we have it clicking through to kind of a more explicit detail page. This can include a description. I think I included some just dummy data right here. We'll fix that shifting stuff, but that may or may not be useful. If not, we can kind of go directly to the resource. Right now it's set to pop it up in a new tab. It warns people about that via an ARIA label. So there's some accessibility stuff we're addressing there. Let's take a quick look at adding something. So if I'm in the back end here, you're going to come into something like this. Note there's a new element called resource over here, and we just click add new. So I'm going to add creating basic maps in R. So I'm going to grab that URL, give it a title. All right, I could write some stuff here to give context. All right, let's say it is Econ 210, I'm not sure. All right, so this is going to be mapping and visualization. Okay, and it is going to be R and RStudio. So we've added those two pieces. Add my resource link, and in this case, since it's something visual, I've already taken a little screenshot, so I'm going to just upload it. So I'm just doing some alt text here for accessibility. I'll select it, we'll publish it. Let's take a look at what it looks like in two places. So one, here we go, there's the image. Go back here, we've got the image included here. So I think we're making progress. Another thing to note is that from this view, say we were browsing and we found this one, we could go click on statistical programming and it selects that objective. These URLs are persistent, so you could send somebody this URL, but all that works in the way that I think you'll want it to. And like I said, I'll fix this little shifting stuff. But hopefully this is getting us towards the right place. If you're not comfortable, or if we think it'd be useful, we can, instead of going here to add resources with add new, we could create a page on the front end for logged in people to add that, or we can create a page on the front end for people to submit stuff that doesn't go live immediately. So all those things are possible. Let me know if you have any questions, please.